So one of the types of fields that you can actually add in is an interactive percentage slider widget. So to do that, under widgets right here, under form elements, you can go around and type in percentage right here. Then you get the percentage widget right here. Go ahead and click, and then you can see that the percentage widget pops up. So I'm just going to go around and say, let's say for example, maximum, let's say for example, capacity of our work. Let's say for example, right here, you can go ahead and set it out. Over here in the widget, you don't really have any option instead, except for custom CSS. Of course, you got the regular properties as well. But if I were to go around over here onto preview form right here, just like this, and scroll down, you can see the percentage. So users can actually go ahead and click right here and select the percentage right here by clicking and dragging. They can click on a certain spot or click on it, and that particular percentage info will be recorded along with the form. So that is basically how you can go ahead and utilize percentage widget inside of Jotform. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.